Hey y'all, I don't know about you, but I love Christmas. I love everything about this season except for the stress of the money. So I created this spreadsheet that I can put people's names in, the ideas of what I want to buy for them. I can create a budget and then I can also track what I am spending throughout the season without getting all the way to January and seeing our credit card bill and thinking, oh my gosh, we spent how much money? So I want to quickly go through and show you what this spreadsheet can do. I'm just going to go through and type a few names like our immediate family and just show you how the spreadsheet works. So let's just say I want to get Kent some golf clubs and I expect I'm going to get them from let's say Dick's, and I'm gonna spend $500. We're definitely not spending that, but just want to show you. Okay, so then I have an idea for Kobe. I want to get him some cleats for soccer, and for Miles, I want to get him a jersey, and then for Jack, I'm gonna get him some type of Hot Wheel like cars. So let's just say I have an idea of a store and I'm gonna get these from Nike and I'm gonna get this on Amazon and then I'm gonna get this at Target. The store is probably irrelevant, but maybe you need an idea of where you're headed. So let's say I have a budget of 50 for his cleats and 35 for the jersey and just say 25. Just totally random numbers, but I just want to show you. So I've gone through, put in some names, some ideas, stores, and a budget. So over here to the left, it's going to calculate your budget. It's going to sum that entire column for you. You do not have to, you do not touch any of these formulas here. You're only going to input your information down here in the bottom. So it's going to sum your budget. And then let's just say I've been out there buying stuff and I found a Black Friday deal and I got them for $4.75 and I got this for $48 and these for $37 and then they had a deal on the Hot Wheels and they were $15. So now that I've actually gone through and purchased the items, I'm going to click the checkbox as being purchased. So over here in the left, you can see that it calculated our budget. It also calculated how much money I've spent, and it tells me how much I have remaining. Let's say that I went over budget on the jersey and I spent 50. And then I went over budget here and I spent 650. Well, what's going to happen is going to show me that I have negative dollars remaining. And also up here, I don't know if you noticed, but I have a little chart that shows me what I've budgeted versus what has actually been spent. And so you can see that the actuals are larger or greater than the budget. So these are a few different visuals that can kind of help you keep track of where you are in your holiday season as you're buying all of those gifts that you have in your mind. I also added a few other little check boxes here so you can keep track of what you've purchased, what you've received, and if you've wrapped it or not. Maybe you have to mail it. This also totals how many gifts. So this is totaling how many gifts I think I'm going to buy, how many I've bought. This is based on if it has a checkbox or not. So this will change. See, this is reduced after the check boxes or the checks are gone. So yeah, I thought it was really cool. There's a visual up here that tells you how many days there are left until Christmas. So yeah, I thought it was really cool and I wanted to share with you guys and see what you think. All right, have a good day.